Hi, I'm Allison, a product manager at Cuyari, and I will be showing you how to use the SVA Report Sun and Moon Trends. In the legend, you have the 5 icons representing different trends. We are now going to look at the Sun and Moon icon. These icons show the short-term trend of your product. First, decide which weeks you want to compare. In the settings under Sun Moon Weeks, I have written the number 1. That means I want to make one comparison. The comparison I wish to see is how week 1 is trending as compared to week 2. I want to see which of my products have decreased by 50% from this past week to the week before, i.e. from week 1 to week 2. So, I will keep the week comparison at 1, but I am going to change the sun-moon percent to 0.5, i.e. 50%. The moon is a short-term trending down symbol. As you can see in the movers category, I have 4 products which have decreased at least 50% in sales when comparing week 2 to week 1. The sun shows me the products have gone up 50% in sales in the past week. You can see I have a couple here. Let's do another example. I want to see which of my products have decreased at least 15% week on week in orders over the past 3 weeks. So I go to the settings menu. In the sun moon weeks, I put in the number 2. This means 2 comparisons will be calculated. Week 3 will be compared to week 2, and week 2 will be compared to week 1. Under sun moon percent, I put in 0.15, i.e. 15%. If the decrease for each of these comparisons is at least 15%, the moon icon will display. Here's my moon category. As you can see, these products have gone down in orders from weeks 3 to 2 by 15% and from weeks 2 to 1 by 15%. So now let's see how both the arrows trend and sun-moon trend work together. These products have a down arrow and a moon. That means it is trending down in the short term and the medium term. On average, in the past 3 weeks, there were at least 20% less orders than the 4 weeks prior. That's what the down arrow tells us. Aside from this, the moon is telling us that these products have decreased by at least 15% in orders from weeks 3 to 2 to weeks 2 to 1. I think this product needs help. Watch the video on Drilldowns to learn more. Remember, trends only show on movers. If you want to see the trend of more products, lower your sales velocity, which will cause more products to be moved into the movers category. For more instructional elements of the SVA report, click on the video icons throughout the report. Thank you for joining us on the Cuyari journey.